Hey, Dr. B here, and here's part 2 of 4 parts of our AP Chemistry memorization. Pause whenever you need to. Tell me the 6 strong acids. Hydrochloric, hydrobromic, hydriodic, sulfuric, nitric, and perchloric. And there they are there. The strong bases. Those would be group 1 and group 2, but only beyond strontium. So typically that means strontium and barium because radium is so radioactive. And are the group 2 hydroxides strong or weak? Well, we just answered it. They're weak until you hit strontium. Tell me some soluble cations. Memorizing span helps a lot. So sodium, potassium, ammonium. I wouldn't say nitrate since that's an anion. And therefore the only real soluble anion always that we go with is nitrate, NO3-. Are the sulfates soluble? I'm strictly for the rest of these just going to say usually yes or usually no. That is all AP Chemistry requires you to memorize. If you want to know the exceptions, go for it. Sulfates soluble? Yep, usually. Are chlorides, are the halides, not the fluorides, but are the chlorides, bromides, and iodides soluble? Answer, yeah, usually. And there's some exceptions. I do become comfortable with the fact that whenever you see silver, lead, or mercury, it tends to make things insoluble, but not always. Are carbonates, sulfides, or phosphates soluble? Those are the ones that are not usually. Are metal hydroxides and oxides soluble? Well, if they're group 1, they're always going to be soluble, and group 2 beyond barium, but beyond that, no. If you've got some other sort of, say, transition metal hydroxide or any metal oxide, they will tend to be soluble, unless it's those exceptions we mentioned before. This is AP Chemistry Memorization Part 2.